Myntri Rangbah ke Jelam Meghalaya, Conrad Kongkal Sangma babat duit ketnat Platengka. Haka arpulai tarik urampang arajar arpun rio ula Wanrah ke Mang Tyngka jong kesenam arajar arpun rio arajar arpun nyo. Kebelah antat ban Pisa ke bekot lai puar hajar Klur Tyngka. Kajing penelut kabalai puar poin not arlai Klur Tyngka bat Jingduna Pisa hado arajar nerus baknya puar Klur Tyngka. Kumbalai poin san naksispa naka GSDP. Myntri Rangbah ulang bagajing antat berpemi pisah kalong lai puar hajar Klur Tyngka ya kaba ke revenue receipt lakan antat bakan long arpun hajar san spa prokulai Klur Tyngka bat ke capital receipt kan long san hajar sospa kan yo Klur Tyngka. Klaim dakhan ya gajing syamram ke bakot san hajar lai spa anyo kundai Klur Tyngka kejing yo ulum pisah baro lakan antat bakan kot arpun hajar nreus spa arpui Klur Tyngka kajing penut bisa barok lang lakan antat bukan kot lai puar hajar arpulai Klur Tyngka ya kebal ke revenue expenditure lakan antat bahkan long arpui hajar praspa khat ar Klur Tyngka ke capital expenditure kan long 10,000 arspa khat Klur Tyngka ulang bagajing pelut kalong arpu kandai hajar arspa kandai pulai Klur Tyngka la nyok kajing siyo karam kaba arpu ar hajar nyo spa lai pui Klur Tyngka. Baruli itu bagajing siyo kesut na kebentak kesenam ar hajar arpu nrio ar hajar arpu nyo laken antat bakan long syajar san spa saupo Klur Tyngka. Bagajing siyo kabai bam temen kan long syajar kandai spa prapo Klur Tyngka bat kum tau lawan rai ka Mang Tyngka kesenam ar hajar arpu nrio ar hajar arpu nyo kaba Jingduna Pisa da ar hajar nrio spa nyo pu ar Klur Tyngka. Kabalong kumalai poin san nakasispa jong GSDP. Lamang san hajar san spa anyo puar Klur Tyngka ka climate budget. Kamang Tyngka kesamla kalong saw hajar praspa arpsaw Klur Tyngka bat ka janda budget kalong nrew hajar praspa saw pundai Klur Tyngka. Myntri Rangbah ulieto baga Meghalaya GDP kedai kebelah antat bankot nyopun nrew hajar lai spa arpau Klur Tyngka hagesnam arhajar arpun nrew arhajar arpun nyo. Kejengkio ke bakat lai poin iwai nak sispa nak senam arhajar arpusau arhajar arpusan. Kebabu gejela kelenti ban kenjo ya ka prapusan hajar Klur Tyngka hapo kesenam arhajar arpupra. Bat silak lai pusan hajar Klur Tyngka hapo kesenam arhajar lai puar. Conrad kongkal sangmau lapan pauru kejeng kimi lenti ba kejeng pak Pisa nak sorkar pedeng kan kot syaka arpu hajar arspa arpu kendai Klur Tyngka wala kebahak jongi khajna ke sorkar pedeng kan hiar syaka kendai hajar nerus pa alai kuwe Klur Tyngka hapo ka rukom ken ya ke rukom sam bahak jong ka finance commission ke bakat nriu ka khajna la jong jela la antar bekan kot saw hajar nyos pa arpu Klur Tyngka ke kentup ya ar hajar lai spa san kuwe Klur Tyngka nak GST ke bakiau nak si hajar saw spa san fau Klur Tyngka hak senam ar hajar ka nyo ar hajar ka pra karbakan non-tax revenue kan kot nriu spa lip saw Klur Tyngka kum kejing siu lupa ya ka license ti marpo kendo. Kajing penelut barok lang labo bakan long laipu ar hajar arpulai Klur Tyngka kentup ka capital expenditure ke baspo hajar ar spa katwe Klur Tyngka ke bakio nyo sya nadok kesenam ar hajar ka nyo ar hajar ka pra. Ulang bagajela Meghalaya menta kedai kebuan baar ni kejela ha kejing ki ustad ha kayok kokot hadian jong ke Tamil Nadu.
Today, we are the second fastest growing state in India after Tamil Nadu and the only state to sustain a real GSDP growth rate of nearly 10% for 3 consecutive years in the post-COVID period. Our year-on-year nominal GSDP growth has remained higher than the national average since 2021-22, standing at 12% in 2025 compared to India's 9.8%. I am thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for acknowledging Meghalaya's growth story in his message to us on Meghalaya Day. I quote, "The economic growth rate in the post-COVID years have been exemplary. At the same time, your government's fiscal management has been prudent. Your government's emphasis on fiscal sustainability is commendable." Unquote. In recent months, this confidence has been echoed by several union ministers who have visited Meghalaya and witnessed our progress firsthand. The Honorable Union Finance Minister and the Honorable Minister for Development of Northeast Region have appreciated the state's development model. Our growth momentum is rooted in the clearly laid out Vision 2032. Our aspiration is to place Meghalaya among the top 10 states in per capita income and Sustainable Development Goals achievement by 2032. This vision is anchored in an actionable plan called Meghalaya Mission 10. The mission focuses on 10 opportunity sectors that will drive growth and employment, along with 10 commitments to ensure inclusivity. The results we see today are the outcome of disciplined public investment backed by prudent fiscal strategy. Meghalaya's capital expenditure has risen from 1,435 crores in 2017-18 to 6,395 crores in 2024-25, a 4.4-fold increase. This is enabled by better devolutions of the share of central taxes and leveraging strategic funding windows such as SASCI, externally aided projects, and centrally sponsored schemes. Meghalaya has emerged as a star performer under SASCI, a 50-year interest-free facility which is effectively a grant in present value terms for the state government. This grant, amounting to 2,370 crores in 2024 and 2,695 crores projected for 2025-26, has been deployed for benefiting our farmers, youth, and entrepreneurs. We are implementing 12,166 crores worth of externally aided projects, among the highest in the Northeast, under a 90-10 funding model, wherein 90% of the repayment is borne by the Government of India. At the same time, CSS releases have more than doubled from 2,965 crores in 2017-18 to 7,050 crores in 2023-24, accelerating delivery under flagship schemes such as Jal Jeevan Mission and PMAY. Together, these demonstrate that Meghalaya's growth momentum is powered by effective governance, strong absorptive capacity, and strategic utilization of national development instruments. Our borrowing remains well within the stringent limits prescribed by the Union government. Meghalaya may be small in size, but our aspirations are expansive and bold. Budget estimates 2026-2027. So for 2026-27, I have estimated the total receipts at 32,000 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at 26,583 crores, and capital receipts at 5,417 crores. Excluding borrowing of 5,379 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 26,621 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 32,023 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 21,812 crores and capital expenditure at 10,211 crores. Excluding payments of loan, 2,731 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 29,293 crores. Interest payments of 2026-27 are estimated at 1,540 crores and pension payments at 1,980 crores. The revenue surplus is 4,771 crores and the closing balance is 714 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget for 2025-26 with a fiscal deficit of 26-27 with a fiscal deficit of 2,672 crores, which is around 3.5% of GSDP. I am delighted to highlight that the fiscal deficit has been maintained at the permissible limit of 3.5%. Sir, along with the main budget document, I am presenting the climate, the youth, the gender, and the SDG budgets. The size of the climate budget of 2026-27 is 5,572 crores, an increase of 2.8 over 25-26. The youth budget stands at 4,824 crores, an increase of 45%. Gender budget stands at 6,849 crores, an increase of 10%. To conclude, sir, I would like to place before this August House 5 thoughts that define the Meghalaya of today. Today's Meghalaya is stable, aspirational, collaborative, caring, and sustainable. A stable Meghalaya that is growing rapidly with strong fiscal discipline and a secure economic future anchored in continuity and responsible governance. An aspirational Meghalaya where we are building world-class infrastructure and our people rise confidently onto national and global platforms of excellence. A collaborative Meghalaya where development is shaped through dialogue powered by communities and strengthened by collective participation. A caring Meghalaya which is placing every citizen at the heart of policy, ensuring dignity, opportunity, and long-term security for all. A sustainable Meghalaya, which is advancing prosperity while protecting and nurturing our natural and cultural heritage for generations to come. I would like to conclude with a Garo couplet, which is called Agan Meapa. Manigapa bolong adeng, singapa dopa strung, which broadly translates to walk the winding path with steadiness, with the wisdom of the wise birds, to strive relentlessly to fulfill the vision. Mr. Chairman, sir, with these words, I now commend the budget to this August House. Kublai, Mathela, and Jai Hind.